In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot Pro in Microsoft PowerPoint. Copilot Pro brings AI assistance right into your slides, helping you draft outlines, generate speaker notes, and refine content with less effort. Follow along and we'll get everything set up so it's ready the next time you build a presentation. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. It's best to start from a clean window, so if you have any presentations open, save your work and leave them for now. We'll come back to them after the setup is complete. Go to the top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you into the Backstage view, which is where you manage app settings rather than slide content. On the left side, select Options. You'll usually find it near the bottom. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, the place where you customize how the app behaves. Inside the Options window, look for a section labeled Copilot. Depending on your version, it might appear as its own tab or as an item in the left panel. In some builds, it may live under General, but it will still be clearly named Copilot. This is where the AI features are managed, so once you find it, you're in the right place. In the Copilot area, check the box that says Enable Copilot. Even if your subscription is Copilot Pro, the label here may simply say Copilot, and that's completely normal. Turning this on makes the features available in the interface. After selecting it, confirm any on-screen prompts to apply the change. For the setting to take effect, close PowerPoint completely and then reopen it. A quick restart ensures the new tools load correctly. If you had any files open, make sure they're saved before you exit so you don't lose your work. Once PowerPoint is back open, look at the Home tab on the ribbon. You should now see a Copilot icon, typically near the right side of the toolbar. That icon is your entry point to AI assistance. Click it whenever you want help drafting slides, summarizing content, or reworking text. You can open an existing deck or start from a blank slide and let Copilot guide you. To recap, you opened PowerPoint, went to File, chose Options, found the Copilot section, enabled it, restarted the app, and confirmed the Copilot icon on the Home tab. If you don't see the Copilot section or icon yet, it may be due to your version of PowerPoint, your organization's settings, or regional availability. In that case, try again later when updates roll out or check with your administrator. Thanks for watching. With Copilot Pro enabled, you're ready to create smarter, faster, and with more confidence right inside PowerPoint.